It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back on this very snowy evening and I am packing up Christmas. So, January 2nd, I know a lot of people still have their tree up. That's perfectly fine. I am someone, however, who after the holidays likes to move into the next holiday, Valentine's Day, a little bit of spring, only because for me personally, living in Ohio with all the snow, it kind of makes me feel good to start moving into those spring scents. However, I know a lot of people still like enjoying Christmas. I do too. I just don't like it every day. So what I start to do is I got this cute little create box here. I create a Christmas box with all of my Christmas products that I can keep on a shelf in my bedroom. And then if I'm in the mood for a little bit of Christmas, I can go grab something, but it's not necessarily part of my everyday routine. It's all in its own little area. So I actually created a Christmas box earlier today. I think I need a second box because a couple things that don't fit in my Christmas box. I did put the Dwell 212 by Slatkin, gingerbread, and wreath fragrance mist. I don't know what to do with these. They're almost like halfway gone. I'll have to say, I really liked this product for the holidays. The problem is, I don't think I'll wear wreath at all going into the new year. And gingerbread, that's a little bit of a Christmassy thing for me. So I'm going to kind of put these aside. I don't want to get rid of them because they're amazing, but they're not really my, January thing. I do have some Christmas fragrance. So I have, these are full, by the way. This does not include my archive because I have one in my archive too. These are just ones that I bought either at Body Care Day or semi-annual sale. Twisted Peppermint is a total go for me year round. If I have a headache or I really want some relaxing peppermint, I'll go in my Christmas box and grab Twisted Peppermint. Winter Candy Apple is pretty much a no for me anytime other than Christmas. However, it's in the box just in case I want it. Vanilla Bean Noel is kind of like Twisted Peppermint. Once in a while, you just kind of crave it. Sometimes I'll walk over to my Christmas box and just go, I want to smell like Christmas. So I put those in there. I also put the Forever 21 Winterberry in there. It's red berries, candied ginger, and rich vanilla. I like this one a lot. This one is, it smells like sugar. I mean, it doesn't really even smell like winter. Other than the fact they sold it at winter, but I'm like, this is actually a really good one. I like that from Forever 21. And then I have a Strawberry Snowflakes because I like this scent kind of into the new year. It doesn't really smell like Christmas to me. The reason I create the Christmas box, though, is I don't like to mix my seasons in terms of creating like scent boxes. So a couple of the other things that I put in here, Bright Christmas Morning in cream. I probably won't use this. I don't love it. If anything, I'll polish my furniture with it. That's kind of a leftover one. Magic in the Air definitely feels like Christmas to me. Again, I might polish my furniture with those. So those are kind of, just extra things. I do have a couple of shower gels that I found. I've got Strawberry Snowflakes. I've got a Twisted Peppermint and Winter Candy Apple. It's funny. I'm less opposed to using Winter Candy Apple in the shower than as like a mist. Like, I'll use it in the shower and not mind it, like in January, February, but I just don't love it, like, as a mist. So I've got those. Strawberry Snowflakes is a good shower gel. I do have a Winter Candy Apple Moisturizing Body Wash. I like the formula in the winter. So when I run out, what do I have in there now? I think I have Vanilla Romance in there now. I usually keep one of these in the shower. I might replace it with Winter Candy Apple, but I know where it is if I need to. I also put in here, I don't know what to do with these. I haven't decided yet. These are the hand and body creams from Forever 21. They weren't bad, but I wanted them to be in my Christmas collection in case I need them for whatever reason. Vanilla sugar cookie. I might use this as a hand cream, or if my daughter says, hey, I need a hand cream, I'll just grab it out of here. Twisted caramel apple. This one is actually the best, I think. I like this one a lot. Yeah, this almost smells like a waffle cone. Kind of got a summer vibe to it, actually. It kind of smells like summer. So I have that in there. I have the Snowflakes and Cashmere Exfoliating Glow Body Scrub. We didn't have many scrubs this year. If I feel the need to grab a scrub, I'm going to grab this one. I actually bought 2 this year. This is like an extra one I had for Body Care Day, I believe. And then I have the Winter Candy Apple Shimmer Fizz Body Lotion. I probably won't wear this. I'm just sticking it in here so I know where it is and it doesn't get lost. The other thing I threw in here just on a whim that really probably doesn't make a lot of sense. I think I'm going to put this in the kitchen, actually. Maybe I can do that. And then I can put my Dwell stuff in here. Yeah, that's going to fit. I bought the Mrs. Mayer's Iowa Pine Scent dish soap, and I forgot to put it in the kitchen. I gotta say, I kind of like it. So, even though I don't like wearing pine after the new year, I think I'll do my dishes with pine. So it's funny, a lot of you saw that I got the Dawn Power Wash. I love that stuff, by the way. I didn't like the cranberry one as much, but I really liked the pine one. The best one was it was like, I think it was cinnamon pumpkin. It was a definite pumpkin scent, but I'm like, love that stuff. I gotta say, it's so much easier to just, I do dishes kind of different. Like, I hate filling the pan up and then washing them. I just use the Power Shot and then rinse them. I love that stuff. So I will probably put this in the kitchen, though. I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna go do that after this video. That way I have room for my Dwell products. So anyway, oops, let me see if I can put that in there like that. There. So what I'll probably do then is take this box, set it on a shelf, or I don't want to put it on my dresser because I don't use this stuff that much, but I have a bookshelf in my bedroom that has an empty slot on it. And I'm going to put that in the empty slot. So that's one thing you got to do when you're organizing your Bath & Body Works, your products, is it's so much easier if everything has a place. Because the hardest thing to do, and I know that because I've done it myself, is you've got a box of stuff or a bag of stuff, and you put it in a corner, and it kind of sits in the corner. And then you, A, don't use it, and B, when you're looking for something, you have no idea where it is because it's a mishmash of stuff. So that's why I try to do like these boxes that are themed, because then you know where everything is. Like I said, behind me, I've got, like, this is my reviewing archive. So I've got Emily in Paris, I've got like summer, spring, more summer, spring, and then I've got fall and Christmas down here, and then I've got my signature scents like in the other room. But I try really hard to try and keep things organized. And then, you know, like say if I need a gift, I can grab it. The thing is about Christmas, though, is you usually don't grab from your Christmas bin if you've got like a birthday coming up because Christmas is past. The other thing you got to realize is that like Twisted Peppermint, Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple, they're going to be back. They're coming back. They're going to be back very soon, like October of next year. So I know there's a lot of stuff right now, 75% off at Bath & Body Works. If you're going to use it all year, go for it. If you want to create a little Christmas bin, go for it. But trust me on this, you do not want to overbuy. I also am making up a Christmas soap bin because you know what I did today? I went out and I bought all new spring soap. However, I don't want to put it out quite yet. I think I'm going to try and use up my Christmas soap for like the next 2 weeks. And then whatever I have left, I'm going to put in a bin. And, you know, if the basement bathroom, I might stick one down there. But for the most part, I want to kind of move into spring scents like around the 2nd or 3rd week of January. So anyway, let me know what you think of the Christmas bin, if you do this or not. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.